Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace RAM in a laptop. First, ensure your laptop is completely powered off and unplugged from its power source. Remove the battery if it's easily accessible. Ground yourself by wearing an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static discharge, which can damage components. Have a small Phillips head screwdriver ready for opening the laptop's back panel. Always consult your laptop's manual for specific instructions on accessing the RAM slots. Now let's open up your laptop. Turn the laptop over and carefully unscrew all the visible screws on the back panel. Some screws might be hidden under rubber feet or stickers, so check thoroughly. Use a plastic spudger or a guitar pick to gently pry open the back panel, working your way around the edges. Once the panel is off, you'll see the internal components. Identify the RAM slots, which typically hold 1 or 2 memory sticks. With the back panel open, it's time to replace the RAM. To remove an existing RAM module, gently push the small metal clips on either side outwards. The RAM stick will pop up slightly at a 45-degree angle. Carefully pull the module straight out. Now, take your new RAM module, align the notch with the slot, and insert it at the same 45-degree angle. Push down firmly until the side clips snap into place, securing the module. Ensure it's seated correctly. After installing the new RAM, carefully reattach the back panel, ensuring all edges are flush. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, making sure they are snug but not over-tightened. Reconnect the battery and power adapter. Power on your laptop and let it boot up. Once it's running, check your system information to confirm that the new RAM is recognized and functioning correctly. If you're looking for great deals and other useful resources, check the description below for links, including one for the new Kindle Paperwhite. Enjoy your upgraded laptop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.